How to hide chat lock on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. Swipe down on the chats page and you will find the lock chats option at the top of the chats. Tap on it to view all your locked chats on WhatsApp. You will require Face ID to open it. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on Settings. Here, enable Hide Lock Chats. You have to create a secret code to hide your chats for more privacy. Tap on Create Secret Code. Now type in your secret code and tap on Next. Type in the code again to confirm, and then tap on Done. Your lock chats are now hidden, and your secret code is set. Lock chats will no longer show on your chat list. To see them, you have to enter your secret code into the search bar in your Chats tab. Following these steps, you can easily hide chat lock on WhatsApp.